Hey guys, welcome to Rocket Reviews. After nearly 2 years of home isolation, you may be considering ways to improve the comfort and convenience of your living space. And looking at the latest crop of smart home devices announced at CES, it's a good place to start. The show's largest and most important product category from security remains smart home technology, which has grown by leaps and bounds over the last decade. Home automation capabilities were primarily enjoyed by the ultra-wealthy at the turn of the 21st century, but the proliferation of smartphones later democratized the technology, making it a key component of nearly all residential security systems available today. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more videos like this. Without further ado, let's dive in. The first smart home device we will look at today is the Coway Smart Care Air Mattress. Your mattress may soon be able to assist you in breathing more easily. The new Coway Smart Care Air Mattress includes an air purifier, humidifier, aroma dispenser, and self-dimming lights to help you get a good night's sleep. When you get into bed, it emits soothing scents and gradually dims the lights to help you fall asleep. The mattress distributes clean air from all four sides while you sleep, so you don't wake up with a stuffy nose. It can also detect your body pressure and position to automatically adjust the firmness level, allowing you to sleep better at night and wake up fresh. The SmartCare Air Mattress could be available in the United States this year for $5,000. The next device on the list is Home Shadows by Garotech Innovations. While homeowners have more tools than ever to be altered about the potential intrusion, creating solutions that serve to deter criminals is largely limited to outdoor surveillance and lighting. Garotech Innovations, based in Austria, hopes to change that with the introduction of Home Shadows at CES, a product that uses a varying light patterns to cast shadows on a home's walls, curtains, or blinds. According to Gerd Wolfinger, the company's founder and managing director, the light patterns generated by Home Shadows is randomized using a special algorithm, making it virtually indistinguishable from shadows cast by people moving naturally within a house. Home Shadows is intended to work effectively in rooms ranging in size from 5 to 10 square meters, depending on the size of the windows. According to Wolfinger, the company is looking at the fourth quarter of the year as a possible launch date for the product in the United States, with a projected MSRP of $49. Furthermore, Wolfinger claims that the company, which has already sold 50,000 units since the product's debut in Germany in 2019, would prefer to sell through distributors and licensees in the American market. Another impressive smart home device is the Labrador Retriever by Labrador Systems. Labrador Systems debuted its new Labrador Retriever personal robot at CES 2022, which can serve as an extra pair of hands for the elderly. The robot, which uses visual navigation to find its location in the home, can carry payloads weighing up to 25 pounds, retrieve and deliver trays weighing up to 10 pounds, and has an onboard smartphone charger and storage area for frequently used items such as medication and water. It's really meant to help people who are aging, have bad backs, arthritis, or any kind of need to help people live independently and have more control in their daily lives. Labrador Systems CEO Mike Dooley said at the CES PepCom event. The company expects the robot to be in full production by the second half of 2023, and it will cost a massive upfront payment of $1,500 for early reservation holders, plus a monthly fee ranging from $99 to $149, depending on the model purchased and the customer's credit. GE Lighting introduced several new products during the show. To begin, the company introduced its new Sync Smart Thermostat and Temperature Sensor, which work together to keep homeowners comfortable. The thermostat can be installed without the use of a common wire, making it suitable for almost any home, and it does not require a hub for control. The temperature sensor, in conjunction with the thermostat, monitors and adjusts the temperature of a single room or the entire house. Beginning this month, both the thermostat and the temperature sensor will be available for purchase. The thermostat costs $119 and the temperature sensor costs $29. The Sync Outdoor Smart Camera is available in both wired and battery solar-powered configurations, with 2K 1280p resolution and night vision capabilities. Beginning next month, the cameras will be available for purchase. The price of a wired camera starts at $99, while a battery-powered camera costs $129. The camera's solar panel charging accessory will cost $44. The next device on the list is LG FX washer and dryer. Are you concerned about wasting water or laundry detergent when you wash your clothes? LG's new FX washer and dryer remove all of the guesswork and gambling from laundry day. The washer detects load size, fabric type, and soil level using LG's artificial intelligence direct drive technology, then automatically adds the appropriate amount of detergent and adjusts the wash cycle. The washer then sends information to the dryer and recommends an appropriate drying cycle using LG's smart pairing feature. The dryer also employs artificial intelligence to learn your preferences, provides custom drying options, and includes an infrared sensor to ensure even drying. The washer will be available in September for $1,599. The dryer will be available in both electric, that's $1,599, and gas for $1,699, both models at the same time. The next smart home device on the list is the impressive vacuum cleaner Roborock S7 Max V Ultra. The $1,399.99 Roborock SV Max V Ultra, which is due to be released in the second quarter of this year, may be pricey, but it has some impressive capabilities. For example, it can mop, wash its own mopping cloth, and automatically refill its water tank in addition to vacuuming and emptying its own dustbin. The S7 Max V Ultra looks to be one of the most advanced floor cleaning robots we've ever seen, with strong suction power and other premium features like AI-powered obstacle avoidance, a camera for remote home monitoring, and Roborock's unique mop lifting feature. First introduced on the S7 Plus, that automatically prevents your carpet from getting wet. Up next is the Samsung Bespoke Family Hub Refrigerator. Stainless steel smart refrigerators are old school. Samsung announced plans to incorporate its Family Hub technology into its bespoke refrigerator line at CES. That means you'll be able to buy a navy blue emerald green or sunrise yellow French door refrigerator with smart features like the ability to stream media or interact with Amazon Alexa in the near future. Samsung's bespoke refrigerators are available in thousands of color combinations to complement any kitchen. However, no pricing or availability information for the Bespoke Family Hub has been announced by the company. Another impressive smart home device is the Masonite M-Power Smart Door. You've probably heard of smart locks and video doorbells, but smart doors may be the next big thing in entryway technology. The Masonite M-Power Smart Door incorporates motion-sensing LED lights, a Ring video doorbell, a Yale Home Smart Lock, and a door state sensor. It connects to your home's electrical system and Wi-Fi network, and it includes an emergency backup battery that keeps the system running for up to 24 hours if the power goes out. The fiberglass door technology is available from Masonite in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes. For the time being, the doors are only available in new homes built by Barringer Homes in Charlotte, NC, but Masonite expects to announce additional builder partners later this year. The company says that contracted builders will determine the cost of the doors. The last device that we will look at today is the smart stationary bike, the Echelon X8S Connect. The Echelon X8S Connect smart stationary bike stands out from the crowd with two eye-catching features: a curved screen and LED accent lighting. The 24-inch curved 1080p touchscreen includes surround sound and promises a more immersive audiovisual experience than flat counterparts, transporting you to the front row of one of Echelon's new Pitbull-themed classes. To keep you motivated, its LED flywheel light ring can even change color based on your heart rate zone or output rating. The X8S Connect costs $2,399.98 and includes a 1-year Echelon United membership, making it less expensive than a Peloton bike plus. The bike is now available for pre-order with delivery scheduled for mid-January. Stay tuned for our full review, which will be published soon. It's worth noting that these devices only scratch the surface of what CES has to offer. Not only that, but 2022 is just getting started. This means there are plenty of new and exciting gadgets that are just around the corner and will likely be announced at the other events throughout the year. So stay glued to this channel to get more updates on devices like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos like this. While you're here, click on any of the other 2 videos on your screen, and I will see you there.